AI document extraction isn't always perfect out of the box, especially when your documents have their own formats or when you need the output to match your specific requirements. Most AI tools give you a fixed result and leave you to deal with the gaps manually every single time. FormX Smart Learning changes that. Instead of working around extraction errors, you correct them once, and FormX remembers. The next time it sees a similar document, it already knows what you want. Think of it like training a new colleague. The first few times you guide them, after that they handle it themselves. Let's see it in practice. The easiest way to teach FormX is to test your extractor after setting it up. When you notice the output isn't quite right, that's where Smart Learning comes in. Here I've already created an extractor for donation forms in advance, with the fields I want to extract for. If you would like to learn how to create an extractor, we've got a separate video for that. Let's give it a test. In this case, the extractor text is both English and a foreign language duplicate. I don't need both, so I'll add that preference to Smart Learning. Also, it's not returning the payment method details, so let's add that in too. Click Add to Smart Learning. Here you'll see what we call ground truth. This is where you tell FormX what the correct output should look like. Once you're happy with it, click Save. That correction is now logged as a learning sample. Over time, the more you correct, the better it understands your preferences. Let's test it with a new example. This time, FormX returns exactly the output you want automatically, exactly the way you set it up. If you'd like to see how Smart Learning can improve accuracy for a specific document, book a demo with us today.